Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam if you are new here, and I like to create videos that document my creative pursuits as well as the things that I experience in real life. I'm sitting down today and filming a little cozy video on all of the skincare products, specifically more conscious, clean beauty skincare items that I have fallen in love with. It's becoming easier and easier to find beauty brands and skincare brands that are making clean, cruelty-free, vegan products, and that's really exciting. So today I just wanted to share some of the brands that I'm really loving and have been loving. Some of them I've used for a while and have repurchased staples over and over again, and then a few of the brands that I have are actually new to me, but I've used them and I'm enjoying them a lot. Before we jump into the video, please subscribe if you are not already. It would mean the world to me. Murphy's coming over to say hello. Oh, here she is. Say hi, Murph. All right, so let's get into this. Oh my goodness. Okay, we might have to wait a second. This little lady does what she wants. Oh, it spilled all over my bed. That's not good. Oh god. Mayday. Mayday. Oh. All right, well, it just spilled all over my bed, so, you know, it's going well. The first clean beauty product I want to talk about is from the brand called Thayers. And this is the Thayers Facial Mist with Witch Hazel in the cucumber scent specifically, and I absolutely love this. I'm torn between this one and the Heritage Store Naturals brand, which is another one of my go-to products for a facial spray or a rose water. Actually, that is my go-to for rose water. This changed the game. The Heritage Store Naturals, which I'll link below, is my go-to, but this might be my new go-to. I love the scent of this and I love the feel. I think it is super hydrating, and I love that this is an aloe vera formula witch hazel, which the rose water that I use, that I normally always use, have repurchased so many times, is good, but I don't believe it's witch hazel. And so I find that this not only hydrates, but definitely tightens up my pores and just helps my skin feel a little bit cleaner, which I like. I am a huge advocate for facial sprays. I use them very regularly. I use them when I get out of the shower. I use them right before I'm gonna put on my skincare. I use them while putting on skincare, so I'll use it in between products like serums and oils and moisturizers and stuff like that. So this one by Thayers is potentially my new favorite. The cucumber scent specifically is so heavenly, and I believe I picked this up from Whole Foods. The next clean product that I have in my collection is from the brand Briogeo. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, and it has a little Allure 2020 Beauty Award right here, which is always a good sign. Briogeo is labeled as a 6 free hair care, so that means it's free of 6 of the worst toxic ingredients, and that includes no harsh sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no phthalates, no artificial dyes, no DEA. It's a 97% naturally derived formula. Now, I've only used this mask once, and I used it before I hopped in the shower to wash my hair. I applied this on dry hair, which, looking back now, I wish that I had dampened my hair prior to putting the mask in, because that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to apply this to damp hair. I do think the next time I use this, it's going to be a little bit better, but I will say even applying this onto dry hair and then rinsing it out and shampooing and conditioning as usual, I felt like it made a difference. I was very, very surprised. I'm not one to really, I have not been one to jump on the bandwagon of hair masks. And maybe I shouldn't say jump on the bandwagon, but I've never been someone who used them. Every time I had used them, I just didn't see that much of a difference from like a conditioner. I think I was just using the wrong ones, because this one is really good. And now that I have blonde in my hair, I've bleached it blonde, it's just that more important for me to add moisture, because if you are blonde, if you go blonde, you know how damaging it is on hair, and you will do everything in your power to bring in the moisture. So hair masks are something that I am diving into more. This one by Briogeo is one I'm very excited about. The next product is, again, another brand that is newer to me. I would say Briogeo and this brand are the newest in my cruelty-free collection, and this is from the brand Cocoa Kind, which I'm already obsessed with. I picked up their chlorophyll mask, the detoxifying facial treatment for purified skin, and I love this. This is so great. Every time I use, side note, every time I use this, my cat Murphy wants to lick my face. So there must be something in this that is attracting her to it, because she just loves the scent of it. She wants to lick my face. I don't let her, obviously, but it's very cute. This stuff is really cool because you apply the powder into the palm of your hand, which I love. I love easy, fast products, and I can just take a little spoon, take the spoon that it came with, pop a little bit of this powder in my hand, drop a few, I'll turn the sink on just enough to where it's like dripping little droplets, and I'll add like maybe 5 to 6 drops of water into the powder, and then I just mix it into the palm of my hand and apply it directly to my face. It's super simple, it's easy, and it's effective. I think that this mask, it must be chlorophyll that is the ingredient that I feel benefits me the most, because it feels like a detox for your face. And sometimes, especially around my period, I feel like there is just gunk in my face, and this really helps it to feel detoxed and just purged. So if you're looking for a really good detox mask, this one by Cocoa Kind, and I also recently followed them on Instagram and am already obsessed with their other products, and I've never even used any of their other products. But I'm definitely more excited to continue to try them out since following them on Instagram, because I think that they have a really, really cool social presence and are really on it, which I think is super good for any business. The next product in my clean beauty lineup is one that I have used and repurchased a couple of times now and absolutely love it. It's the Derma E Skin De-Stress Calming CBD Cleanser. I love CBD, ingesting CBD as it is. So when I saw that there was a CBD, calming CBD facial cleanser, I was like, sign me up. This stuff is I love it. This stuff is great. I've repurchased it several times, and I really especially like using this in a nice hot shower with a washcloth to add a little bit of an exfoliation in there. It has about 250 milligrams of CBD, and I love the Derma E brand in general. They are a phenomenal, clean, effective brand. Like, you are going to get results from them. I just love that they're diving into CBD and exploring non-traditional ingredients in skincare. I think that's really exciting, and if there's any brand I'm gonna choose to explore non-traditional ingredients with, it's gonna be Derma E, because I just trust them wholeheartedly. I mostly pick up a lot of my clean beauty skincare from stores like Whole Foods and Ulta. Ulta has a really nice collection, and Target. Target also carries a lot of clean skincare. And the last clean skincare brand that I have been loving, and you have definitely heard me talk about them before, probably the most, is the brand Acure. Now, I've been using Acure for years now. I used them when I was in college, probably close to like 5 or 6 years now. I've been purchasing and continuing to love Acure products. I'm never disappointed, especially with their range of oils. So the one I'm currently using and loving is the Radically Rejuvenating Rose Argan Oil. Rose Argan Oil. Like, it doesn't get any better than that. And because I've been using this brand for so many years, I've seen how they have evolved and grown and made their product even better and made their social presence even better, and just really are always making their company and their product better year after year. They really strive to bring the most potent and quality ingredients into their product, and just gets better and better and doesn't disappoint ever. And Acure is so well loved by me. I really need to reach out to them because I've been telling myself for years, how have you not reached out to them before? But yeah, so those are the clean beauty products that I love and that are regulars and also newer, but I definitely foresee them being regulars in my skincare routine and my beauty routine. It's not hard to find good quality clean products anymore. Now, I think maybe around 10 years ago, for me at least, when I was first dabbling my way into skincare and makeup, I found that it was not always reliable when reaching for cleaner products, which is unfortunate because those were the products that I wanted to use. I wanted to be using cruelty-free, vegan, clean ingredients. And it's amazing to me how much clean beauty has evolved, and it's a lot more reliable, and I think that it's worth the money, and you can find a lot of clean brands now pretty much anywhere you shop at. So if you have a clean beauty brand that you love, specifically makeup, because I need to dive into the world of clean beauty makeup more than I am. So if you have a clean makeup brand that you adore, please let me know in the comments below. That would be super appreciated. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye.
A sensor on the garden. Although my judgment's known to fail, once built a steamboat in the meadow, 'cause I'd forgotten how to sail.